next topic is modulus and conjugate of complex number. So first of all, we take the letters in general or complex number. Or complex number is, let us take z. Z is equals to a plus ib. Z is equals to a plus ib. And conjugate of complex number. What is the conjugate of a complex number? Ready? What is the conjugate of complex number? Which is, if a complex number is denoted by z, then the conjugate of complex number which is denoted by z bar. What? Z bar. If a complex number is denoted at z, then the conjugate of complex number which is denoted by z bar, and the value of conjugate of complex number is equals to a minus ib. See over here, z is equals to a plus ib. For in order to find out conjugate, you have to only change the sign of term with having iota, means I. If over here plus, then we have to take minus. If in case of over here it is minus, a minus ib, so over here we have to take a plus ib. Only the change the sign of term having I only. Ready? So sometimes a plus ib it is our complex number, and for conjugate can also what is the value of conjugate of a plus ib is equals to a minus ib. Sometimes it written over here question that to find out the conjugate, but sometimes it is question is like that also. What is the value of a plus ib bar? Bar means z bar, z bar, and over here z. What is the value of z? It is equals to a plus ib. Then a plus ib bar, which is equals to a minus ib, which is the conjugate of our complex number. Then we talk about modulus. Modulus means mod. Modulus means mod. As we know that what is the mod? In any number, if in z, which whether positive or negative, it will give us only a positive value. But over here the mod is given for z. For z is equals to under root a square plus b square. Under root a square plus b square. Ready? See over here. First of all, for example, we take z is equals to 2 plus 1 plus 2i. 1 plus 2i. For we find out first of all modulus. What is the modulus of z over here? Modulus of z is equals to under root a square plus b square. What is a is real part of z and b is imaginary part of z. Over here the value of a is equals to 1 and value of b is equals to 2. So it gives us 1 square plus 2 square. So it is 1 plus 4 is equals to under root 5. Is it under root 5? Which is the value of it is we have discussed about only the complex number. Now we discuss about conjugate. So first of all, what is the conjugate of z over here? Which is 1 minus 2i. 1 minus 2i. Then what is the mod of conjugate of that complex number? We know that the formula is, see over here, the value of a is equals to 1 and b is equals to minus 2. As we know that the formula for finding out the modulus under root a square plus b square. So what is a? A means 1 square plus minus 2 square. So it gives us 1 square plus 4. 1 square means 1 and 2 minus 2 square means 4, which is under root 5. So over here we can say that if whether the complex number or a conjugate number, the value of modulus is equal. Modulus of whether it is a complex number or a conjugate number, the value of modulus is equal for both these number. Ready? Which is so over here you have to remember that modulus of z is given by under root a square plus b square, and conjugate of that complex number is, you have to only change the sign term having I. Ready? Then we go for a multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? Z into Z inverse. If we get 1, like similar like 5 into 5 inverse, which is equals to 1. Similarly, Z into Z1, Z inverse, which is 1. Because the multiplicative identity for complex number is 1, that we have seen in previous lecture. So Z into Z inverse is equals to 1. So we have to find out Z inverse, which is our multiplicative inverse. So Z inverse is equals to 1 upon Z. 1 upon Z. Value of Z is equals to 3 plus 4i. As we know that a term having I which does not exist in the denominator, so we have to rationalize. Rationalize is nothing but our conjugate. See over here, if we take plus over here, so we have to take the conjugate of that complex number, a plus ib, so we have to take a minus ib. In case of there is a minus ib, so we have to take a plus ib. So 3 plus 4i, so over here we have to take 3 minus 4i, 3 minus 4i. Ready? So it is given 3 minus 4i upon identity x plus y and x minus y, which is x square minus y square. So over here 3 square minus 4i whole square. So 3 minus 4i upon 9 plus, see, 4 square means 16i square, minus 16 minus minus plus 16. So it is 3 minus 4i upon 25. Is it our answer? No. We have to write in terms of a plus ib, which is the standard form of complex number. So answer is 3 upon 25 plus minus 4 upon 25 into I. That will be our answer.